an assignment with Assistments. First thing we're going to do is we're going to open a tab. Your Assistments is at the top. It looks like this little A, so click that. You want to open up resources 6 through 8, and then we'll click on grade 8. In this grade 8, we want unit 1, and we're going to look at the practice problems. For this assignment, we're going to use lesson 12. So we find 8.1 lesson 12. And we don't want all of these, right? We just want this set down here at the bottom. This one right here. So I'm going to check the box. It's going to select all of these problems. And each of those has multiple choice and then an explain your answer. That's what we want right there. We come up to the top and we're going to assign to Google Classroom. If you would like to see the student view, you can click this and it will show you what it looks like on the student side. We're going to assign to a classroom. The first thing we need to do is assign to a class. Now I can select all my classes if I want them to go all at the same time. We just let them all go. Or if I wanted to do one class at a time, I might select that class and I say next. I might change the title of this so that it says 8.1.12 practice, and then congruent polygons. And I want that to go. So I'm going to say Thursday, and I'm going to change the time. I don't want this to go until 10:45 this morning, and I'm going to set my due date to be, let's say, tomorrow at 2:55 in the afternoon. So, well, let's make it 3 o'clock. So we should have it by 3 o'clock tomorrow. Then I click on assign. Okay, it's going to assign to that class. Now, if I click view, it's going to open up Google Classroom, and I can see in my classwork that there's my assignment and it's scheduled for this time. Okay, now I can come back to my Google Classroom tab. Right, notice there are two open. This is the list of assignments, but this is the one that I'm actually selected. I still have this one selected here, and what I can do now is I can go back and assign to Google Classroom, and I can choose a different class. I can say next. I can change this title to whatever I want. Often I use copy paste, right? And so I'm going to use that again. But this time I'm going to say that's going to be on the 10th, but I want it to be at 12:30 p.m. today because that's a later class. My turn-in date, right? I can still set that to be 9/11 at 3 p.m. Okay, and then I say assign. Okay, so now I'm good. I can close this, and then I can go back to Google Classroom and I select my third class, and I can do this one at a time. So I can set all those schedules to be at different times, or I can select them all if I want them just to all get assigned at the same time. There you go.